Hey guys, welcome to this brand new video. And today I have with me somebody who I refer to as my Bengal tiger, Mrs. Fighter, and she's been commemorated with a lot of other names within our superstars community. We have with us Mrs. Jayati Roy, who's going to be sharing her experience with us in our 12-week ISP, in which we worked specifically on her fat loss, body recomposition, and much, much more. But that is going to be a surprise, and of course, I'll let her take over in that. So, Jayati, how are you doing today? Please introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do? Where you live, etc., etc.
Sure. I am actually doing very, very well. Thanks a lot to the journey and of course, the whole mindset shift. But I'm really doing well. And you'll recall the first time when you said when we had the call, the conversation was similar. How are you doing? And the introduction was slightly different. But yeah.
Hmm.
Um, about me, so like you said, my name is Jayati, based out of Delhi. I'm basically a working professional, a human resources professional with an IT services firm. Have been in the space for over 20 odd years. Uh, I am also a mother of a child in the 10th standard, which means more than him, I am pressurized with the upcoming boards. And Gen Z at it, quite a different generation. I also, uh, have my mom with us. So it's a family where we are all together, and which means dealing with different generations. A generation
Hmm.
which is of our parents, a generation which is ourselves, and a generation which is next. Is stress in itself. But yeah, that's pretty much what I am. In the past, I've been an active sports person, gave up sports quite naturally owing to household work and profession, everything else. But yeah, that's pretty much about me.
Amazing, amazing. So, Jayati, this is so nostalgic. It's exactly like I remember first conversation जो हमारी हुई थी. We discussed the three gens of Roy's staying under the same. Then we discussed Jayati being an active sports person, right? So Jayati, we know that of course our base and our foundation was very, very solid when we began, right? And of course, then I know life took over and we continued on that discussion. So my next question to you is, what made you get started on this journey towards actually now taking your health and fitness seriously? What was your why, and why did we actually connect, and why did we have that call?
So I'll add to the why and the how. Okay, both of that probably, which will got us started. So why, of course, um, health was taking a toll. Had been suffering through multiple ailments at some point of time. There was migraine, there was hypertension. The last straw on the camel's back, like they say, was when I got diabetes. And starting off with that. So something ticked and said कि अब नहीं करोगे तो फिर कभी नहीं होना है. This is the end of it. You take control of your life. Of course, if I would walk four steps, I would huff and puff because I would run breathless, and those kind of things were also there. Um, the how of it. Of course, while all of this was going on to my head, I usually go to drop my son off at the bus stop. And at the bus stop, we also have, again, within the community, our very own Mrs. Talaiva, whom we call Isha. What an inspiration! Just seeing her transform the way she's moved, and probably that was meant to be because there was a burning problem. I could see a solution, walking, talking solution in front of me, and she guided me, and that's how we got talking. And I think after that, there's been no looking back. That's all I can say, Amitabh.
Beautiful, beautiful. So very well consolidated, right? Cutting off all the, trimming off all the non-important things and just bringing in what your actual why was. It's beautiful. I mean, I love how this is going in so far. So, Jayati, then the next question, right? आ तो गए journey में, right? Start to कर दिया, पता भी था that, there's hypertension, there's an onset of diabetes, there's migraine, and there's basically a very big distinction from what the previous Jayati was, right, to what you had become before we started the program. So, what were the changes you started to see within yourself, which kind of consolidated the belief that this is going to be possible for you? And mind you, guys, this is not just about the 10 kgs and the before after pictures that we've done together. What Jayati is about to tell you is literally going to blow your mind, and it's much deeper than that. Over to you, Jayati.
Yeah, I think I changed, maybe changed back or changed as a person. That's That's the first thing, because yes, the weight shifted. That was a goal, and this is not the only program I started. There have been several starts and then drop offs earlier as well, right? But when this started, the way it clicked was the way it shifted. That was the first. Something is working. Um, what happened is within 3 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, and maybe lesser than that, I started. I did my repeat blood tests, and lo behold, the diabetes parameters were off. Right, so it was completely normal. The third, of course, is as we progressed into the second and third month, gradually the hypertension medication, which I've been taking for the last 15 years, ever since my son was born, was off. And all of this is not because I went ahead and did something like climbing Mount Everest or anything else. It was very simple, just modification in the way one lives, one thinks, one believes. The biggest transformation that I have seen is from a very depressive, negative sort of a mindset. There has been a complete shift that it can happen. Life will happen and it can happen. And, you know, Amitosh, thanks a lot to you for bringing in number of stories, number of examples, a lot of us into the community. So two things that have helped solidify this piece, if I can call out. One is the way you've been with us through the journey and with me in particular, because I've gone through a lot, right? The journey hasn't been an easy one for me as well. Um, of course, there have been moments when I was traveling for office work and something or the other, and one would eat outside. The weight would go up by a kg, and then you would sit there, help me see the whole picture in clarity. That is one. But more often than not, osteoarthritis grade 2 got detected as I started the physical
Mm,
movement.
mm.
Extreme pain. I managed to sprain my ankle. So everything that one could, sort of bring onto yourself stood by me. The doctor, yourself, moderating any possible exercises that one could look at, so that, hey, you can continue with it. It doesn't have to stop. But if one part of your program is not working, what else could work, right? So I think the whole solution orientedness started coming from there. The other big weapon that you gave me was that exposure to the community. I mean, what powerful people are we've come across, and so much inspiration that you get from each one of them. That whole thing, ये अगर कर सकते हैं अपने इस condition के बावजूद, तो कोई भी कर सकता है, हम तो बिल्कुल ही कर सकते हैं. So those were thoughts that started triggering. And from the whole question, is this possible, to everything is possible, I think that is the shift that has happened. So if you ask me what has been one major shift, that is what I would underline. And I think the rest of it was all outcomes.
Beautiful. I still remember the day, the onset of osteoarthritis. And I remember you, me, and our team doctor, we had a call together. And it was like all your panic buttons had switched on at once, right? Now we're having a laugh about it. And at that point as well, what happens is that, like Jayati just mentioned, people have battled innumerable limitations in their life and they've still come out stronger. And it's not my prowess as a coach. It's, the light that they had within and the community which exposed them, which told them that, this is a light which is there in each one of us. If, you just wade past the layers of, limitation that your mind imposes on you, which is what, we always talk about in the community. That is when any any threshold you want to achieve or surpass becomes a possibility instead of limitation. So I think that
Totally.
is exactly what I saw happening with Jayati as well. And I remember time to time she would tell me, and हमारी बात होती थी, she would say, Amitosh, but this part of the equation is not possible. There are certain exercises she couldn't do. She is still struggling with them. But then we always directed her attention, and she did that herself, to what was possible. And more often than not, we are surprised to see that what is possible is way more and way more effective than what we can anticipate, right? So when I talk about Jayati's actual learning, I would say, tangibly, if you look at her, if you look at the weight loss, right, you'll probably be looking in the wrong direction. But when you look at this person who's sitting in front of me, in comparison and contrast to the previous call that we had, And this is just like a boon. This is like a miracle I'm witnessing, right? And what a beautiful smile the miracle has. So, Jayati, my next question to you. So आपने बहुत सारी learnings इस program में देखी, right? There were a lot of things you got acquainted with, a lot of people that supported you along with you in your journey. So what was the one learning, if I had to ask you to pinpoint, which stood out for you, that irrespective of whether we talk or whether this mentorship continues or whether this community stays or not, you will carry this with you for the rest of your life? What would that be?
One is too short, but couple of learnings maybe. Not
Sure, sure,
greedy.
sure. Bring them on, please.
One, like I said, everything is possible. That I think is important. That there is no limiting belief, and therefore everything can be done. We just need to find a solution. If one door closes, four others open, like they say. The second that I think I learned is the whole aspect around consistency and grit. Right? And I still remember there was that one session that you said ki sanak chahiye hoti hai. You really need that kind of
Hmm.
being crazy and chasing your goals, because with hard work you get only so much, but when one really loses that steam of hard work and really goes after something, you get it. So I think and that spreads to all aspects of life. This is just one part of it. Entire life, whatever you want, you really need to be consistently going after it, and going after it like like never before. And I think that pays off. I think these were the two biggest learning. The third, which I will re-emphasize, and I keep bringing this back. When you need to go far, you need two things. You need somebody who's showing the light. Otherwise, you'll trip and fall. You can't walk a pathway alone. So, a mentor and a Vidoj, I will bring you into this picture, but a lighthouse is needed. That's certainly the way out. The last bit is walking alone, you can go fast. Walking together, you can go far. So, the
Beautiful.
community is needed.
अगर दूर तक चलना है तो काफिला बना के चलो. Remember
बिल्कुल
when we
तभी
talked
चलो
about?
तभी चल पाओ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल तभी हमने जब community की बात की थी in the first call, that is
True.
exactly, I remember we resonated on this. So it's almost like a deja vu which is occurring again and again and again.
But I've experienced and lived it these few months, because
Hmm.
see, not every day आप best of health में होंगे, not every day आप best of spirits में होंगे. Life will happen. Some days you will be overjoyed. You would still want somebody to share those with, right? It's not only the sad part. There are happy parts also that you would want to
Right,
share.
right.
It gives you a boasting platform also at times.
Absolutely. And the great part is then the awareness increases multifold. Like,
Totally.
wow, today is a joyful day. I have people who can share this with. Today is
Absolutely.
not a joyful day. No matter. I know I have a community that will even understand that. So we understand the transience of all emotions and then rise above them and be aware. कि ये तो life है, like an ECG machine, it's just gonna go up and down. And I'm giving the ECG reference because Jayati also has a doctor in the house. Her better half, sir, is a doctor himself, and a lot of health and pharmaceutical advice is also available within the house as well. And
Yes.
that's amazing. So next question for you. आपने learning तो बहुत अच्छी बताई. And अब मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि इन learnings को करने के लिए did you have to give up on your current life? Did you have to become a monk, eat boiled foods, and just work out like a maniac? Or did you do something else?
तो वर्कआउट तो आपको मैंने बता ही दिया. विद द लिमिटेशन दैट इज ओनली सो मच. लाइक ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस, दो लिगामेंट टेयर, स्प्रेन इन द फुट के बाद मैनियाक वर्कआउट तो हो ही नहीं सकता. बट या कंसिस्टेंट वर्कआउट था. आई विल नॉट डिनाई दैट. एट होम, बिकॉज आई wasn't visiting a gym or anything. कहीं जाके बहुत सारे weights नहीं उठाए थे. I am a foodie. I told you that in the very first call. एक foodie को आप अगर plain boiled food खिलाओगे तो वो सबसे पहला second day में give up कर देगा. Therefore, no, I lived exactly how I was living, in a little more structured manner. That is the only change that happened. कुछ नहीं हुआ life में. Work continued, travel continued, holidays continued. So सब कुछ हुआ life में. Just that there was a structure जो नहीं था, एक direction जो नहीं था. I think that is what came. I still remember one day, Amitosh, office conference थी. मैं गई हुई थी and मैंने noodles खा लिए थे. And this was very early into our mentorship period. And I had called saying, Amitosh, मैंने ना lunch में noodles खा लिए. अब क्या होगा? So, and I still remember that voice note that you said, saying, noodles ही तो खाए हैं, कोई पाप थोड़ी कर डाला. It's okay. It's, so the way that came across, if you would have, typically one has also experienced other programs and stuff, saying the fear of God would almost enter into your head by whoever the respective coach is. So the way you directed, saying how you should adjust the meals later on in the day so that you compensate for what you've had, because noodles is all a source of carb that you've had. So how do you adjust for the rest of the day? Since then on, I have really never panicked in terms of acha aaj ye zyada kha liya, because I'm a Bengali. I did share there was this whole aspect of Jamai Shoshti in my house, where
Yes, yes.
the son-in-law is fed and fed and fed and stuffed. So despite all of that, there was absolutely no temptation to overkill myself on any food. I've been able to go through. In fact, that was the time when I was going through my peak week also, uh, very happily. So yeah, I lived normally. I live normally, and I will continue this journey.
Correct.
So yeah.
So very well explained. And yes, talking of peak week, Jayati did the impossible for someone, who thought whether fitness was something that was made for her or not. She did a peak week in which, and I'm not like, we don't add layers here, in order to get her to the final tangible aim that we had, fixed. And of course, there were a lot of limitations along the way. We did a peak week wherein we did put her through some extreme stuff as well. But look how she came out with flying colors without an ounce of complaint even coming through. That is what makes this communion, this relationship, so very beautiful, right? And अब आपने एक बड़ी अच्छी चीज और भी बताई मुझे कि there is that fear of that fear of God per se कि भाई अब आगे क्या होगा, right? But inevitably you also know that it's going against your personality. You've grown up, you've done things a certain way, and suddenly somebody becomes a Hitler in front of you and tells you अब तो ऐसे ही हो, right? So I do realize this, that when we need to fill when we need to fill a pot with nectar, we need to take out all the gurk that is out first, right? So when that was being done, and you would ask me these questions, तो मुझे ये लगता था कि unlearning जो है ना, वो एक बार पूरी हो गई ना, तो फिर learning तो आराम से हो ही जाएगी. Learning ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं. And I'm so glad to see how beautifully it happened. So my next question to you is, how was this communion different from the other programs that you might have tried in the past, which actually got you to this place of structure, sustainability, and equilibrium at the same time? यहाँ क्या अलग आपको लगा?
बहुत कुछ. I think, and I'll what I was going to say, probably I'll park it for the last, because I think that moment deserves to be at the end. But I think the first thing that I had said, Amitoj, I really need somebody to handhold through the journey, through nudge and keep prodding at it. Most of the journeys, people would give you a diet, people would tell you to do something, and then tell you कि भाई कर लो अपने आप और आप आते रहो, visit करते रहो. But I think there was a regular touch point, which for somebody who's busy with work, busy at home, हो सकता है कि slip हो जाए. But when you know there's consistency, after the first week or you'll automatically fall into a habit. Otherwise, it's always easy to slip out of that habit. And any habit formation takes time. It's not easy. जो आपने 15-20 सालों में नहीं किया है, उसको time लगता है to come into shape. So I think that was the first. The second, there was no earth-shattering, improbable tips. सुबह उठ के some concoction पीना है, which you can't make, क्योंकि अब रात को भिगोना भूल जाओगे वो सारी चीजें. Then after that, you will have to have some exotic diet जो आपके घर में बनती नहीं है, because as a mother, you're cooking something for your son, there's something for the husband, there's something for the mother. The last priority will come to चलो कुछ exotic बनाएंगे. So I think the ease with which things fell in place, like I said, I didn't have to change anything in terms of structurally what I was eating and what's being cooked at home. No European kind of a food, avocado only, and those kiwis only. सारे ऐसे, हाँ कुछ ऐसे होते थे, quinoa खाना. I never understand that thing also. See, and you've never said कि ये मत खाओ. So if somebody enjoys it, that person has it. But if you don't have a taste for it, you don't have a taste for it, right? So um, I think the ease of the diet, the ease with which one could start. You never went and said कि चलो starting में आप 20,000 15,000 steps कर लो, हमको झंडे गाड़ने ही गाड़ने हैं. But it was a very gradual transition, and it all started coming internally, right? So you one didn't have to really jump and go to a gym and, like I said, do lifts, weights. So everything which would possibly be a constraint to take you to a health journey. The first constraint, the moment you would say gym, 500 days, you will have 300 more reasons to say why I can't go to the gym today. It is raining, it is very cold, it is too far. So many possibilities are there with which one wouldn't have done it. But if it is to be done at home, it's easy to be done, right? You can do it at any point of time when you are flexible. So I think the entire ease with which the program is designed just made it sustainable. So, like I said, the constant touch point, the mentorship, um, and the availability of you as a mentor, your team's availability as well, because a panic button can get triggered at any point of time in the day, right? All we needed to do was drop in a note or a voice message, and there would surely be a response. I still remember you had a problem with your jaw, and you were still saying, "Aaj mere ko thoda sa late ho gaya. I'm very sorry because I had a pain in the jaw, but I'm still responding." That's like a different level of commitment. Because वो experience नहीं किया था मैंने पहले. So I think it's more like a family that grows, and therefore it became very easy. Uh, you won't have to hide things from the coach because there is nobody judging you at each stage, saying कि अच्छा ये नहीं कर दिया तो कुछ हो गया. So I think all of that, and like I said, the last piece के लिए I would save the best. What changed me, Amitoj, I will tell you very honestly, is your first question. Not the first question, but in the first call, you had asked me a question. When I had told you about myself and we went through a detailed conversation, your question was, इस सब चीज के बीच में जयति कहाँ चली गई? Okay, I don't know if you remember it, but I think
remember
as a
it very
coach,
vividly.
you ask questions. That's what a coach's job is, and I think that question remained in my head forever. And I think it was quest of rediscovering Jayati which led me to get to where I am. So I think that is what it is.
Beautiful. So let us relive that conversation as well. मैंने आपसे पता है क्या पूछा था उस time? You told me about the three Roys. You told me about the munching. You told me about your mother's responsibility. You told me about certain things in your personal life, right? And then you also told me about your relationship with each and every of your family members. And we discussed that at great length for like 20 minutes. And the only question, मैंने कहा आपने सबकी बात तो कर ली, अपनी बात आप कब करोगे उस point? Because we need to realize this, that inevitably all our Indian women, they are mothers first, wives first, daughters first, right? But they can't be themselves first. मुझे इसीलिए मैंने आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था, राइट? और जयति कहीं नहीं गई थी, जयति हमेशा यही थी, बस आ गई अब बाहर निकाल के, राइट? इसी बात पे एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछता हूँ जिसके दो पार्ट्स हैं, एंड देन वील रैप दिस इंटरव्यू अप. पहला, अब वो जो जयति खो गई थी ना, वो वापस आ गई, तो जयति के फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या? और दूसरा, what would you say to the people who are watching you and watching your story as an inspiration on this video, who are just like you? सबको प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं, खुद को नहीं करते. कभी काम बीच में आ जाता है, कभी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, कभी शेड्यूल, एंड दे होल्ड देमसेल्फ बैक कि नहीं अभी नहीं करेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, अभी तो जैसे चल रहा है चल रहा है. सो व्हाट वुड योर मैसेज बी टू?
फ्यूचर प्लान तो मतलब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया स्टाइल है, 5 year प्लानिंग हो जाती है, बट I think I'm not looking too much ahead. I think I will continue on the journey, and because we'll speak more about it. But I think I'm half the way done. There is more journey to undertake. Um, Certainly, my knees need to carry lesser and lesser weight on them. They are not meant to be carrying all of this weight. What I also had always wanted to do is run that marathon that I had said, and still not there, but we'll get there.
I'm glad you remember. I'm glad you remember.
नहीं, वो गोल है, वो जाएगा नहीं कभी.
But
time है उसके लिए अभी थोड़ा. I still will get there. I think I don't know if I can inspire anybody. I can only share what I have experienced, and if others are going through the same journey, one can relate to that. I think it's important to rediscover ourselves. You can't keep pouring out of an empty cup. So if you don't pour into your own cup, you will not be able to pour for others. And I think what was a wake up call, like Amitoj, when Amitoj asked me the question, and I had even answered even at that point of time, my two reasons why I started on this journey. One, of course, was health. The question was, कल को मुझे कुछ हो जाता है, what will happen to the family, right? Because I'm constantly saying I'm doing this for the child, this for mom, this for everybody else, my husband. Um, but if I am saying I do all of this and I believe that I do all of this, then if tomorrow I collapse, then what happens to them? So I think a lot of times we don't do a lot of things for ourselves out of guilt, out of the sheer thing, keep chalo, let's prioritize somebody else. If that is the mindset, a simple saying that, okay, prioritize them, but if you are not there, they are not going to be able to manage. Then you'll start prioritizing yourself. I think just a change in outlook that one can do. But like I said, unless you are at your happiest best, your family won't be at your happiest. I've seen the transition, right? There would be days earlier on when I would nag, I would be upset, I would complain, I would keep shouting at my son. Versus now, and he's always been into the fitness space, right? So every morning I'm taking him for swimming classes. 6 o'clock in the morning, wo ek ghanta he's swimming. I am walking. The conversations change, the dynamics in the house change, the energy level around your house changes completely. Everybody is eating healthy because they can't see you eat healthy and start eating unhealthy. So I think overall, life changes for everyone in a very positive direction. So go for it if you haven't started already, is all I can say.
Beautiful. So very beautiful. So well consolidated. And regarding the prioritizing everyone वाली बात, वो प्लेन में भी बोलते हैं ना कि अपना ऑक्सीजन मास्क पहले लगा लो,
बिल्कुल.
फिर उसके बाद किसी और की सहायता करो. Because Jayati happens to be the backbone, the pillar, of her family, not just in terms of, emotional strength, but in many other aspects as well. We discussed all of that in detail. And it was very, very important. And sometimes, people come on calls and they do discover the reality, but they're still not able to take action. They know that, if this is the moment we don't take action, we might, have to pay for it, in the long run. But still something stops them. And I'm glad that didn't stop Jayati. And she did decide to prioritize herself, and look at how that has happened. Wow, beautiful. So in that regard, guys, this concludes the lovely testimonial interview that we were doing. It was not just an interview. It was, in fact, a reliving of Jayati's journey. I would like to thank you so much, Jayati, for being so very honest and taking out time from your busy schedule. I know you're still getting work messages, emails, and you still decided to do this with me. And I also wish you all the very, very best, irrespective of whether we work together ahead or not, that you keep on crushing it, not just in health, wellness, and fitness, but in all newfound areas of your life wherein you have experienced, this shift in mindset, which allows you to be your best self, right? And I hope you also maintain the results and also run that marathon and keep on going ahead in your journey. So, guys, this is it. I seriously hope you guys achieved some value out of this interview and got motivated, inspired to begin your fitness and health journey before it's too late, which is today, not 6 months down into the future. So, whatever your fitness goals, we here at Team ASF are here to help you in a sustained, beautiful fashion, which is quick and rightful as well. So, we'll soon be back with another story like Jayati's. Until then, it's Coach Amitoj signing off alongside Jayati, thanking her for her time on the interview. Thank you so much, Jayati. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thanks so much. Thanks, everyone.